Okay guys, so I promised you a engine blow up video. That's what we're having here. Only reason I'm doing this is because I have this is an old 2013 model Predator non-Hemi, but that doesn't have anything to do with what I was just talking about. So the reason I'm doing this is that little hole in the crankshaft, in the end of the crankshaft where you could put in a clutch or put in a torque converter like it had on there. You can see the other half of the torque converter still down there, that big shiny disc. So that's stripped out, and I don't feel like buying a tap set, and I'd rather just blow this engine up or throw it away or something, just because I have a new Predator over there that I've had for a couple years now. And it's starting to rain a little bit. Damn, hopefully it doesn't start raining. Anyway, I'd rather just put that one on here instead of messing with this one more. This one's reliable, it's been fine. I've got the oil dipstick out. As you can see, there's no dipstick in that little hole right there. I've got all the dipstick out, I've got all the oil out. It's all over here. It's in that pan. It's kind of hard to see from this angle. There you go, all that oil's out. I was gonna put the header on it, but I fired it up like a few days ago and it's stupidly loud on this engine because it doesn't have the 18-pound exhaust springs. So this is just a stock engine. It's got the governor bypassed, not removed like that one. That one's got it removed. This one just has a governor bypass on it, so I can hear the rain coming. Hopefully it doesn't start pouring. So anyway, it's a stock Predator engine. It's got, actually no it's not. It's got a bigger jet in the carb, that's it. And it runs real rich, so that's not a good thing. So we're just gonna blow it up. I tried this is my second take of this video today, just because earlier I tried starting it up without the oil and I forgot that these have low oil sensors. That one, I removed it just because when you're off-roading with these, the oil gets sloshed around and it cuts in and out because your engine thinks it's out of oil. So I just clipped the cable on that real quick, and we're gonna go ahead and try to fire it up. Hasn't been started in about 3 days, and I'm guessing it's gonna take 5 minutes for this thing to blow up, throw a rod, seize up, something. Just because these Predator engines they're kind of like Yamaha dirt bikes. They're pretty much known for being super reliable and pretty hard to kill. So got you on a tripod. We'll go ahead and set that up. See if that's a pretty good angle right there. I'll go ahead and fire it up real quick, and we'll see how long it takes. I'm not gonna have a timer, but I could probably I don't know, you could figure it out if you really want to know like how long it takes. So let's go ahead. Always gotta turn the on switch on. I always forget about this. First pull, first pull. We're not even gonna let her warm up. We're just gonna hold her wide until it blows up. Wow, that didn't take long at all. It threw a rod straight through the top of the block. Holy crap. Wow. You see that? Look at that big hole. Look at that. That did not take long at all. I figured that'd take a while. Obviously, this engine's had quite a bit of wear on it. Because, well, that'd take probably, what, 40 seconds, maybe? Wow. I'll have another video on tearing this thing apart, seeing exactly what happened, how bad it is and stuff, but, jeez. That is nuts. That is absolutely nuts. Oh, it blew a chunk out the backside, too. You could see straight through that hole. Try to zoom in. It's real hard to see on camera, but you could see straight through that thing. Oh my God. Let's see if we can... Here, I'll take it off the tripod real quick. Wow. That's nuts. Yeah, it blew a chunk straight out the backside too. I don't know if you could see in there, but... Yep, there you go. Wow. That didn't take long at all. I figured it, like I said, I figured it'd take at least a couple minutes. Wow, I just started smoking and went just like that. That is nuts. We'll try to pull it. I know it's dead anyway, but yeah, it blew the rod. You could tell by how it doesn't have any compression, so it blew the rod. Wow. That's nuts. Alrighty then, so guess that made for a quick video. Alright, so you guys have a nice day. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up. I'll have another video here pretty soon on taking it apart, diagnosing it, seeing exactly the damage and stuff. And then we'll start building this thing up. Might take a month or two, but we'll go ahead and do it slow and steady. So, see you in the next video. Till then, have a great day.